Today we are making Easter Roman pasta e Ceci, a cozy chickpea and pasta soup. It serves 4 people and takes about 10 hours including soaking. Perfect for spring and Easter gatherings. Let us get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 300 grams of dried chickpeas. These will soak and boil into a creamy, hearty base. 200 grams of small pasta, like ditalini, to make the soup hearty. 1.5 liters of vegetable broth for a rich, savory base. 3 cloves of garlic, peeled, for gentle aroma. 1 sprig of fresh rosemary to perfume the broth. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for color and depth. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to finish with silkiness. 1 1/2 teaspoons of fine salt, divided for seasoning in stages. 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for warmth. 1 bay leaf to add a gentle herbal note. 1 small onion, peeled, to sweeten the broth as it boils. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for a bright finish. 30 grams of finely grated Pecorino Romano for savoriness. Up to 250 milliliters of boiling water, as needed, to adjust thickness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the dried chickpeas under cold water, then put them in a large bowl and cover with 1.5 liters of cold water. Soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. Drain the chickpeas and rinse them again under cold water, discarding the soaking water. Add the chickpeas to a matte black enamel Dutch oven. Pour in 1.5 liters of vegetable broth and add 1 small peeled onion, 1 bay leaf, 1 rosemary sprig, and 3 peeled garlic cloves. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat, then lower to a gentle boil and cook for 60 minutes, skimming off any foam that rises. Remove and discard the bay leaf, the rosemary, and the onion. Ladle out about 250 milliliters of chickpeas with some broth into a bowl and mash to a rough paste. Return the mashed chickpeas to the pot and stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Boil gently for 2 minutes so the flavor blends. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of fine salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste the broth and adjust later if needed. Add 200 grams of small pasta. Boil, stirring often, for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. If the soup becomes too thick, pour in up to 250 milliliters of boiling water to loosen it. When the pasta is al dente, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it rest for 2 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Adjust the seasoning with the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of salt, if needed. Ladle the Roman pasta e Ceci soup into warm bowls. Top with 30 grams of finely grated Pecorino Romano and drizzle the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Serve hot right away while the soup is steaming. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Easter pasta e Ceci, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.